In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Google Drive not syncing. So let's get straight into the video. So before we even start the video, I'm going to be talking about a couple of common issues that normally occurs. The first is going to be your internet connection. Simply go ahead and try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular just to ensure a stable network. Always ensure that your VPN is turned off, and you can also try toggling on and off your airplane mode just to go ahead and give it that quick refresh. Now, if you're using the Google Drive application, then you can simply go ahead and close or quit the application completely, then reopen it from your applications or start menu. Also, you can go ahead and open the Drive app, and then you want to simply go ahead and click on the profile, and then you want to simply go ahead and head into Drive settings. Inside of your Drive settings, what you can also do is simply go ahead and head into the advanced settings tab, and you can simply go ahead and disconnect your account and sign back in. You can also do it directly from here by signing it out right over here. And it should go ahead and fix your problem. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you